Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I'm Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today I'm going to show you how an answer is analyzed, how it is checked, what are the pointers that you have to keep in mind when you are writing answers. So these are the questions that I give my Unacademy Plus batch students in the history course. You all know that I am taking history courses on Unacademy Plus, so I give them the homework question also. So the students, after attending the class, they submit their homework questions and then I evaluate them and submit it back to them. तो इस तरीके से हमारी अनअकैडमी प्लस पे क्लासेस चलती हैं हिस्ट्री की, जिसके अंदर मैं मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री अभी फिलहाल ले रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट मंथ से आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एंशिएंट एंड मिडिवल आल्सो. So in the history classes, I give them homework questions and they after attending the class they solve them. Class के बाद वो उसको solve करते हैं. So we are going to check those answers. हम उन answers को check करेंगे so that you will understand how to write your answers, what are the pointers to keep in mind while framing answers. Before that, here's a small announcement for all of you. As you know that Unacademy has launched the T20 Daily Current Affair Test Series for the month of November, and these are daily practice tests on the basis of current affairs. And these are created by top Unacademy educators, Atish Mathur and Anand Agrawal sir. They will be analyzing these question papers also for all of you. And after attempting these tests, wherein you have to attempt 20 questions in 20 minutes, 40 marks का test होगा, 20 नंबर का 20 questions होंगे, 20 मिनट का test होगा. Daily these tests are conducted at 7:30 PM on Unacademy. So on the Unacademy learning app, you have to register yourself or you have to sign in if you are already registered. There will be a see all option. On the see all option you have to click, wherein you will find the test series, and these are free of cost. And to unlock all the free resources of Unacademy Plus, or all the free classes and tests of Unacademy Plus in your mobile application of Unacademy, you can use the code ARPITA10. तो अर्पिता 10 कोड है जिसको यूज करके अनअकैडमी प्लस पे सभी फ्री आपको क्लासेस, लेक्चर्स, वीडियोस, रिसोर्सेज, टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट सारे आप फ्री में अनलॉक कर सकते हो. यूज दिस कोड टू अनलॉक ऑल द फ्री फीचर्स ऑफ अनअकैडमी प्लस. So these are the important announcement for all of you. आपकी the link is given below in the description box. Link description box में already दिया हुआ है. These current affairs tests are going to strengthen your preparation for the upcoming prelims examination. Plus you will be in a position to revise your current affairs also on a daily basis. Okay, the test paper will be provided both in Hindi and English language so that both the students can easily give the test. So let's start the class now. The question that I gave in homework was, what was the reason behind Swadeshi movement? Discuss the agitational methods adopted during the movement and impact of the movement. It was for 250 words. That means 20 marks का मैंने ये question frame किया था. ठीक है. So that means 250 words, approximately 2.5 to 3 pages आपके इसमें लगेंगे इसको answer करने के लिए. ठीक है. And in individual answer, usually students, they do not get more than 60%. For example, if a question is of 15 marks, maximum the student can get is 9. Okay. So what was the reason behind Swadeshi movement? You have to answer this in parts. सबसे पहले तो आपको बताना है स्वदेशी movement के behind पीछे reason क्या था. So in the introduction you will first explain Swadeshi movement. Introduction में आप पहले explain करोगे स्वदेशी movement को. So the student has explained it very well. Swadeshi movement was one of the successful movements in the history of India. Now the student has written before the Gandhian era. To save the word limit, he can also write in pre-Gandhian era. That means गांधी जी के आने से पहले का movement है ना ये 1905 से 1911 तक का. गांधी जी came, then 1913 से आपका relevant हो जाता है Gandhian era. So it was a part of pre-Gandhian era. So to save word limit, you can also write in pre-Gandhian era. Even though many negotiations were done by moderates with the Britishers, things are not getting materialized. Now here the student has done basic grammatical mistake. यहाँ पर basic tense की mistake हुई है. Things are not getting नहीं, things were not getting materialized because we are talking about history. As moderates were only fighting for the dominion status and not for the complete Swaraj and independence. The student can also, mention that the method of the, moderates was pacifist. They believed in 3P method: prayer, petition and protest. ये 3 methods में वो अपना believe रखते थे. So that is why their, requests were not getting materialized. And the student can also mention the year of the movement because it will help to fetch bonus marks. So this movement went for 6 years. अगर ये बात अगर आप मेंशन कर देते हो आंसर में तो इससे आप ही का पता चलता है प्रेजेंटेशन कि आपकी हिस्ट्री में स्ट्रॉन्ग थोड़ी होल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चंस, दिस वाज द इंट्रोडक्शन. यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो चलो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन था. ठीक है. Now, the main demand of the question is, what was the reason behind Swadeshi movement? And over here, the student has concluded the reason in 2 lines only. The main reason for the Swadeshi movement was partition of Bengal. But the student has not elaborated the partition of Bengal. The question is of 20 marks. So the reason behind Swadeshi movement has to be explained. अगर मान लो यही question 10 नंबर का होता तो आप सिर्फ नाम लिखते. Understand the gravity of marks that are allotted to the question. तो इसके अंदर elaboration is needed. Elaboration is needed. The student did not pay importance or attention to the question. Student ने question पे importance या attention नहीं दी. The question is of 20 marks. That means you have to elaborate the reason behind Swadeshi movement, not just name the reason. ठीक है, तो क्यों partition of Bengal is the reason? This was the event. This is actually not the reason also. आप ये भी नहीं बोल सकते कि ये डायरेक्ट रीजन है, ये तो इवेंट था जिसकी वजह से स्वदेशी मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ. बट व्हाट वाज द रियल रीजन, दैट हैज टू बी मेंशन्ड. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्वदेशी, दैट आल्सो हैज टू बी इवैल्यूएटेड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर लिखना है आपको, इलैबोरेट करना है, व्हाट वाज the meaning of Swadeshi, then only you can explain why this movement started. जब पता ही नहीं होगा कि स्वदेशी का मतलब क्या है तो फर्दर कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि क्यों स्टार्ट हुआ. सो फर्स्ट आफ्टर इंट्रोडक्शन यू हैव टू मेंशन व्हाट इज स्वदेशी. स्वदेशी मीन्स, स्वदेशी का मतलब क्या है, बिलोंगिंग टू आवर ओन नेशन, राइट. So what is Swadeshi and why? Because of event of partition of Bengal this movement started. That has not been answered. तो इसको तो आंसर ही नहीं किया गया है. This part has been unanswered. ठीक है. Now coming on to the next part of the question. Discuss the agitational methods adopted during the movement and the impact of movement. Now what were the methods which were adopted? Passive method था, yes, that the strikes were conducted. The student has also drawn a flow chart. Student ने यहाँ पर flow chart भी draw किया है. So this is also a plus point. ठीक है. So over here the organized meetings हुई थी, very good, correct. Distribution of pamphlets, that is also correct. Petitions were filed, yes. Now what were the active methods? देखो दो तरीके के methods थे. There were two types of agitational methods which were launched, active and passive. तो active has been explained very well. Passive also has been explained very well. Now coming on to the impact of movement, that has been explained very well. Because of the Swadeshi movement, the foreign goods and the import of foreign goods came down. Large scale of women also came out of their households and participated in the protest. So this movement showed unity also, and the intensity of the movement was also very serious. Indians learned to be self-reliant in this movement, and Britishers also went on an alert mode, and they also got shattered. They also knew that now the people of India are becoming more and more strong. But यहाँ पर जो points लिखे हैं ना, British government was on alert mode, this is correct, but got shattered, this is incorrect. Britishers did not got shattered. ठीक है, तो ये line incorrect है. चलो, so this is how you have to answer the question. आप देख सकते हो that these are the subtleties which the student can miss in the question. What was the reason behind Swadeshi movement? The student missed to answer it. ठीक है. Now let us check another answer. एक और answer check कर लेते हैं. Another student. Now the question was same given to the student. What was the reason behind Swadeshi movement? Discuss the agitation methods adopted during the movement and impact of the movement. So the student has written Swadeshi movement was one of the most successful movement of pre-Gandhian era. Here the student has not underlined the key words, right? So always underline, or you can say underline the key words, the important words. Important words को हमेशा underline करें because इससे presentation improve होती है. However, as the nationalists were just expecting, okay, the word is expecting power rather than British free India, we could consider it as a back step. Now here the nationalists were not just expecting power. This line is absolutely incorrect. ठीक है, ये line गलत है. हमारे nationalists power expect नहीं कर रहे थे. They were expecting reforms, not power. They were expecting reforms in the British policies in India. The moderates were not expecting, they were trying to bring reforms in the British policies. They were trying to bring reforms in the British policies rather than British free India. So we could consider it as a back step. ठीक है, तो इसको भी हम गलत बोलेंगे, वी कैन नॉट कंसिडर इट एज अ बैक स्टेप. ठीक है, they were trying at their level, they were trying to bring in reforms in the British policies. They were not, yes, we can say that they were not directly jumping on, moderates were not directly jumping on to become free or to demand free India, but first of all they started with bringing in reforms in the British policies. ठीक है. Now partition of Bengal in 1905 was the major cause of Swadeshi movement. Yes, it is correct. तो आप इसको भी अंडरलाइन करना चाहिए. This is the reason that you are mentioning. पहला क्वेश्चन आप आंसर कर रहे हो. It was a major cause. ये भी करेक्ट है. Major cause अंडरलाइन करना है. Where nationalists realized the real intentions of British divide and rule. Correct. As there was a growing resistance against Britishers especially in Bengal. ठीक है. Especially in Bengal. So we all know that the partition of Bengal was like a divisionary, step which was taken by Britishers. So this part is correct. Few of the other reasons also the student has explained. Exploitation by British, which was explained by Dadabhai Nauroji in the book Economic Drain of India. Correct. Growth of unemployment. This is also correct. Now, the student has very nicely, explained the different reasons or the causes of the Swadeshi movement. But again over here the student has not explained the meaning of Swadeshi, which is very important. जब भी स्वदेशी मूवमेंट की बात आती है आपको मीनिंग ऑफ स्वदेशी भी एक्सप्लेन करना है. Whenever Swadeshi movement question on Swadeshi movement comes, explain the meaning. If it's a 20 marker question, अगर 20 marks का question है तो meaning भी explain करना है. ठीक है. Now the agitational methods. The first method was passive resistance. That is correct. Petition, prayer, protest बिल्कुल correct है. In this manner only I taught in the class. Gradually the movement turned into active form of resistance. That is burning of English clothes. That is also correct. Impact भी सही तरीके से student ने explain किया है. But the agitational methods need elaboration. यहाँ पर elaboration चाहिए. He has just, the student has only mentioned the methods, not elaborated them. ठीक है. तो इसीलिए क्योंकि because it's a 20 marker question ना, so your content should be in elaborative form. आपका content elaborative form में होना चाहिए. And इसमें भी इन्होंने reason में elaboration नहीं दिया है. What was the book of Economic Drain of India? What did this book mention? ये book ने क्या mention किया था? ये elaborate नहीं किया गया है. ठीक है. Growth of unemployment, how? ठीक है. This is also not elaborated. So it's a 20 marker question. Elaboration is must. Okay. So ये pointers हैं जो आपको दिमाग में रखने हैं when you answer the question. So this is how you have to answer the question. इस तरीके से आपको question को answer करना है. I hope this class was helpful for all of you. I hope this class was useful for all of you. If you really enjoyed these sessions, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.